What's up, guys? So today we are going to the L&N Railpark and Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I got it right.
Yeah. So we're excited to see some trains. I guess we'll get to go inside the train cars and.
Well, it's kind of exciting for me because, like, kind of my nerdy little hobby that I used to have is I used to have the little small model trains, and I'm not talking about when I was a kid. I'm talking about like when this was like what?
Yeah, a few years ago, a couple years ago.
Maybe, and then we moved, and I decided I didn't want to haul them around anymore. But so it'll be fun for me, and it'll be fun for a little dude to get to see some trains.
Yeah, so it seems like lately the thing has been that everywhere we go, Kenny's saying, this is really exciting for me because I wanted to do this as a kid, or I wanted to do this. So that honestly has been my favorite part so far, is Kenny's kind of living out his childhood, so it's been exciting. So every time we do a video and he says that, it's cute.
Well, living out my childhood, or I'm still just a child, so one or the other. But, yeah. All aboard!
Choo choo!
I had to do it, right?
Yeah.
Boxes are. You're a cutie, big guy. Okay, the first time mail was processed on a moving train was during the Civil War. The employees on this car were postal workers, and they had to be the best that the post office had. If the car did not stop in the station, if it stopped in the station, they would hand the mail bag out to the postmaster. He would hand his bag in. But a lot of times the cars never stopped. As the car rolled through the station, when the postal workers would take the bag for that station, drop it in the floor, as the first side of the platform came into sight. Scientific, isn't it? You had to kick it hard enough that it would roll all the way up the platform. And most of those platforms had a little bit of slope to them. If they didn't kick it hard enough, and it lost momentum, it would reverse, roll back down, off the platform, onto the tracks, steel wheels, steel rails, burst the bag, chew up the mail, and you would have what the postal workers call snowflakes. And then there were some who could have gotten some NFL football contracts. One postal worker kicked his bag so hard, it never touched the platform. It sailed right through the bay window of the station house and landed in the middle of the floor. So they would kick the bag off. Quick as they did that, they would jump over here. There's that pole you were talking about, sir. Raise the hook. The bag would be hanging from that pole. The hook would grab the bag. Postal worker would slide it off, and they could process the mail. The rails were built by hand.
The little dog jumped off the wagon and stood guard over it until the driver came back. Mooney, as they called him.
The National Railroad had 9 of these cars. You're standing in one of only 2 that are left. Watch your step. It is hot in this car. It's all steel. Sir, you're pretty tall. Watch your head. You didn't have a lot of room either. I don't know which one of y'all is the tallest.
I've hit my head enough times it doesn't hurt anymore.
Okay. This is a diesel-electric E8A locomotive. This car was built and put into service in 1951 and could run at speeds above 100 miles an hour. There's room for all four of them if you want to go up.
Whoa, bud.
One person could run this train? Okay. This was the throttle right here. To go forward, you see this lever right here? You aren't looking, but that's okay. You're okay. You pushed it forward to go forward, pulled it back to go in reverse. You would get up to a certain speed and you would pull this lever, and that would put both diesel motors working in tandem. This is the brake for the engine.
I'm gonna guess and say yes. I would be surprised if the trailer around 24
Besides, please sanitize after every
on the wall back there, a little round plug. Got electric.
because this was built. The dining car and the next car we'll see, which is the sleeping car, were both built. You gonna tell him about it? I think you should, yes. Watch your head, Dad. Okay, this is the main kitchen. There would be one master chef and 3 helpers working in this space. You have a propane gas stove and ovens. Straight back is an ice box. Yep, you can open it. And right here on the right is a hand washing facility. On the left is a door leading out of the car. Had 3 classes of service. When we step into the sleeping car, we will be in 3rd class. 3rd class is over the first axle. It is also a public class. Quick as you come in, there'll be a men's room the way I'm facing on the right and a ladies on the left. Where you can see? Okay. To make the lower bunk, now there's only one porter. And in this room, you can see the Murphy door is down and into 2nd class, which is business class. It has everything 1st class does, but it's in a smaller room. Usually they would only be. Yeah, you think with these curtains. Now the one disadvantage to this class, ladies, when the porter lets the bed down, guess what it covers up? Yep. There is a prescribed way to take care of that, but I'm not going to go through it because I think most people would do what I'm thinking. Instead of waiting for all this porter stuff, just jump up, run back to 3rd class, use the public facility, and come back and jump back. This is the 3 classes on the sleeping cars. glass bowl for washing and covers for their clothes behind the door. Oh, you think you could get in that tub? I bet you could, couldn't you? Yes, you can see some of the original mahogany. A lot of corporations with that.
So,
It was cool.
Yeah.
I had fun.
it was really, really long. It was
Yeah.
supposed to be 45 minutes, and it was an hour
It
and
was
a
an hour
half.
and a half, yeah.
The tour guide talked a lot.
And slow.
We learned a lot, but it's really small
Yeah.
train cars. There were 6 of us.
Well, and I mean, the thing is that, yeah, they're really small train cars, but they're actual train cars.
Right.
So
Well, that's true.
it's exactly what it would have been like if you'd had a train packed full of people back when people traveled by rail a lot. So there was, like you said, there was only 6 of us. So can you imagine if it was a train full of people moving around in there? It'd be like impossible.
So it was really long, and we were kind of ready to get out of there at that point. And there were some of them that it was really hot. And we were trying to get a lot of video content, but it was hard because we were so close to the walls and so close to everything. But we got some. But it was really neat to see. It was really neat to see what the inside of a train looks like, because Weirdo Me has never seen the inside of one of you.
I don't think so. I don't
Okay, so that
remember
don't
it.
feel as weird.
Yeah.
I've always said I wanted to ride in a train, like for real, but it was cool to experience it.
And another thing about this thing, this
Is that
rail park and museum, is it's not in the video, but there's a really cool part of the museum that tells you all about the history of the railroad. Then you got to see the little model train, which I was really excited about.
done? So we've been in Kentucky for what?
3 weeks?
2-3 weeks? I don't even know now. I think Elias is gonna knock the camera over.
Elias is working on his cameraman skills right now with the tripod.
Okay, so far, not that we've been to many places, so far this is my favorite. We've had a lot of fun. We've been really busy. It's funny that we went from having like no content, we were trying to figure out what to post about, and we'd have random stuff to now. Oh my god.
Y'all hold on, okay? It's a rough ride right now.
To, oh my gosh, which thing are we gonna do today? So
Yeah,
it's been a lot of
it's
fun.
been a lot.
Elias, don't touch. Let go.
Who knew this YouTube video was turning into parenting?
Can you come here? Can you fix that? Can you come here?
Go lay down, Charlie.
We're still rolling. Everybody hold on. Elias, come here, please. Elias.
Lay down.
You're not being a very good listener.
So yeah, we had to cut there because we had
A lot happening.
Elias running the camera, then we had the dog running the camera, and it was going everywhere. But anyhow, like Heather was saying, we've had a lot of fun in Kentucky. This has by far been one of the most exciting places we've been. I mean, if you've seen our other videos from Kentucky, we've done
There's
things.
a dog in our yard.
There's a dog in our yard. And we've done that.
She's just chilling. She's letting her dog poop in the yard. Do you want to be on video with that? Okay.
A lot happening today. So, but we've had a lot of fun. If you followed our other videos, you've seen that we've pet kangaroos. Elias got to go pet a whole bunch of animals the other day. We went to a petting zoo at an orchard, which will be covered in one of our other videos from Bowling Green.
And then we leave here at the end of the month, but then we're just moving on to another part of Kentucky that we're really excited about. So you'll just have to wait and see. If you are on our Instagram or Facebook, you know where
It's happening again.
we're going next. If not, like us on Insta or follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook to find out.
Yeah, and while you're doing all of that, make sure you subscribe here. YouTube is making it really hard to have subscribers now. So we need all of y'all's help. We need you to subscribe, hit that bell so you get notifications of when we post. And when you get those notifications, check the videos out, because that's what's happening.
They'll delete you if not.
If you do not watch our videos as much as they want you to, you get unsubscribed from us by YouTube. So yeah, but really guys, everything that we do, y'all are a huge help in it, and we do appreciate all of your support. And so if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification, and like and share this video. That way we can get some more subscribers, because that's the goal. That's why we do these. So thanks again for all of y'all that are already subscribed, and thank y'all for that aren't subscribed that are at least checking us out. We appreciate you guys too.
And thanks for being patient with us as we record this. This is real life. It's not always, what would you say, rainbows?
Yeah, sunshine and lollipops.
Yeah, it's real life, so it is what it is. Some of it I'll edit out, but some of it I'll leave in, because you know what? It's real.
Yeah, and
we have a toddler.
We're not super cinematic.
Yeah, and it's about to go again. Hang on.
Anyhow, guys, before Elias breaks the camera, thanks for coming and watching us today, guys. We'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.
You sounded like you were talking to your kids. Bye, guys.
Lay down. This is in the video right now, Charlie. Lay down. Down.
Stop. Just go. Just so you know, that's going to be in the bloopers. Just so you... You're going to make yourself...
I can't believe you did that while we were recording.
Shut up. Go.